Nyama pi na ekwaso social no eso. Na eba ni say na manfa bia nso mo na mafom kwan. Abusua Shatta Wale is in the news again. Shatta Wale is in the news. On say me panyum bia to na nyum kwa refi. Ka me Presbyterian him. One say o share sna nyame nso ehye ne ho animunyam. Because as yaji bibia free onsem we ho line no. Na wenya adekro no back in double folds. That's the story of Shatta Wale. Pa. Oh, na pa na nka wo bom pa na wo bom. Imo maka de na esem dada meboa. Abusia car na ye no, you know. Car Lamborghini na ye no. Nyame Adom from the camp of SM and opay me now see atro say I don't pay 222. There's a new baby in town. Guess what, people? Lamborghini no, the AJ, you know. Nyame Adom, ya told you where him. Oh, Boomerade. You see me? Ya told you 2 champagne. Can you jar the champagne? What do you say? You jar a can champagne. It's no, would you ye? Na mo ye de. And I do now. Why can't I tell you the do? Na mo ya, and Nyame Adom care for fra beya. Eje ukuri intin we so maka so goria ya na o scared o monse ma no ya ka ko ho ni so ade ba hwe bi fa sha ohun kwan mu ani mre fa sha ohun kwan ka kire ohun say I can do it won lie no we anya ni bre mu ani nyima onua enu so bonsem sa edu so ane so ya bonsem ma pa
Papi Kukale. Papi Kukale. Yeah. The next one is going to be a Rolls Royce.
Oscar. Can't cry any kind of color. Aye. What you say? Freeport too bad because her some flex. Alright, guys, now port I didn't she young rock. Yeah, the men nam crewmen now could see 3 o'clock. Oh, boom, mano. We are happy for you. Congratulations to the SM King, Charles Niyama, aka Shatta Wale. My friend, Shatta Wale. SM4. Week way modia munye dede week days for the SM guys munye dede what's it I was on mama fancy bands and mama wishing me sweet girl mama Badwam a very happy birthday. That's my baby girl, that's my fruit, you know what I'm saying. Mama Badwam my first handiwork ente OPD ba me do mo to so sa talent here discover say ya picture mama boat. Mommy US First Lady. Also, me know that Kruma. Picture name Mommy First Lady vibes. Yeah, the happy birthday from all of us here. You are a sweet soul. We love you. We are happy about your growth, and we pray. Saying I'm new and free. Adom kwadi. That prayer I gave many years. Me saying I'm manya kese kwa nchen sister Sandy. Oma won kosuru bebre. Ebanisa nieti we are very proud. And you know the new program oba makoma. You don't want to miss it. Stick and stay with us. Happy birthday, mon chadie. Oh, yes, no. Happy birthday, sir. Na mo send mo. Oh, na mo chadie. Me a oba taxi ne sister Penny. We share me sister Penny. And then birthday me awe mommy. Happy birthday, Nyame Sha Mrs. Asan. Much love going out to you. And I'm on painty officer. I'm manam ko. Mon painty pizza is on me. Have fun, baby girl. Have fun. Na bon some hey. And to us, CEO of Cambridge International, Mr. Kwame Ahenkwa, happy birthday. Happy birthday, sir. Nyame ensure we pa wadwuma pa wa ho brasie nyema wo jema o my Ghana nkanka Cambridge fo nyina se omo Elohim Treatment Center. Dr. Abednagu also a very good one. Happy birthday, Mr. Ahenkwa. Oni abusuani nyina no peye chia. Happy birthday. Abusuami di sia Esther Ann. Makeup department on any chi menim edema me over studio Master Thomas Festus or let us say omi emi cinematographers MC post production Madam Mungina Master Frank a sound engineer ono so eta mechi na akọ cold room hono mo a Mr. Macweber ma feel die mu adwen aden nipa bi na o ye din na ampa ho asem say na aden Macweber o ye me director Santi Achema gogodi share Jafrin Ponana ene no o piri me producer ne ho ya ye fe bi ja mo agi ni pe krana ko bokon ru o wa ye fe pa Richmond Territory Thomas Madam Mungina Master. Thank you all stations. I'm the Guys Queen. We will be back on Friday. Till then, bye for now.
Yada say yes, I walk up baby Adom TV, Badwam Jumade, so yada sister Sunday B or your guy. Yada na say pa say what dear Ahosepe no abre ye do so no ya se medika. Na mira ho ansana mira na me okay nya reho bi say but audio na me tie ni video na me share no ade se me re aho eno aye hye nkomo bi ase efa ne nipa bi kokoye wo emergency ward wo Greater Accra Regional Hospital yakasa bebre de afa ho na said asam no kosi ye bi a wo afa na wo tie no obi de ne patient ekọ ho emergency odru ho no ye stop bi bia na ye attend to no edie utie video no ne kasa na or kana so utie kasa no nko ade because yente other parties ne nkenti no obeka say bia na or point aye no kre obia de hie bi yare na we pra ye nipa no ye de ne different from apomodefo no ya na sometimes ye tie kasa aso omo de bi omo hu nipa no yare ni wo nti no eye normal nanso so ukomu a ya na ebi wo hono mu a ente saa enti utie saa nkomo no ne ne yatete tie ni ho so de yate no a enye se na omu jeja idol bia anya hwe eho ye emergency nti bibia wo ho bia no saa bre no eho hia sa pomodin adwumayefo no wono mo ehwe enti metie dia no pai mate video no oba nurse ni no aye prasa me kasa ekura no na beti ehwan bone be no ye wo ya amroba na beti ehwan ama say punch o say de no de wo no ne nsa we bandage eka ho wanya tipaye say utimu say video no kakra bi ne yehu niema akoso e wo say emergency ward ho enti anya kasa keke anya committee tie no akeke by this time yehu nipa no e wo sanka process na faso e wo say ye adwumantam entem omo kro no en wutie video na memmatie bi yen yankasa yentie emfree honest ni no na kosem de wafamu wagina ho wo nim de ekokora sa na ades no kura de ekwa ma akọ no because of day enye se wo disrespect mo anaso okase won hwe utie audio no na video no a e prano sa ne nsa ba bia na se moje tu no dodo okora no according to nurse asa time a wo dress kwa na gyae nanso wo dress ya dress ewie okay ye card o se da bi na din wo system ni mu dada eno na nurse ne ka se da bi Ghana ha eje sa na ye no whether wa ba pen o ma pen o wo card ewi akiri yenkotie audio ni bibra na wo de wan kasa wo follow ye no wa ti asem no na yentie de GMA mpedifo nso aka because wo kwa ye adwuma aboa ne my Ghana som ne my Ghana ne be wi akiri wono so benya pra e wo mu dia se ne obegya atena fie sa enkoma aba no enade we no chedodo by this time I was sanka bibia sie enti sa kase mu mponi o eno amekan na nketo na health facility you can say health centers na chip compound ho na eni ese nipa no ono ho no hwan na ha mponi so wonim Greater Accra Regional Hospital so nye open say obia betumi asori akọ ye bibia etisa just like that be and it's by this time health minister aside committee you know na nipa wo mani nanim da ho frɛ no na credit boni wie na wo kopa akyɛw na wo be wie akire na fe akorako no awasa de na ye te sɛ de bibia ye normal sa nipa na bia wo kopra no ana bibi sa no eno ade na wayama no asa rather na yeso so wo de yenkotie wona asini na ma ne hu na wafamu sebe ya wo kan bia wo behu sa de obeka no afa na nye just the social media yi no a wo ye ne ye kasa na obi akotwa portion kitwa bi na odi abeto ho na nkofo sopa no ne ade no se ye yesa ye ntie mi nkoye nim ada ne ma no kore no na adie akra ye boni a yetea no nti ada na pani aye ade a enye no eno a ne kasa na akeke a wo se etime frɛ ye nye ne saa a whole emergency ward wakoto ahye wo so na onima ye say trauma ye de anasefo ne adokotafo sabra ye de wo mafam empo wo mu ana yare kura no yenim de ye de wo mafam eho ne yanwe ho ya fa ne normal because nyame adom ye record wo bi anti we move ba ye ne saa yenkotie nurse na kosam ne ba ye beto so.
He wanted us to leave everybody and attend to him. So we explained to him. Ralph. Okay. We explained to him. And then he was like, he wouldn't sit down. And my intern told him to get a card, a hospital card. He said, why should he get a hospital card? Because his name must be in the system. Once his name is tied in the system, it should everything should pop up. And my intern said, no, it's not done like that in Ghana. There he was angry because he was told it's not done that. That is not done in Ghana. And he started insulting us. We don't want Ghana to progress. Then he brought out the phone. But initially, I did a pressure dressing for him. In his finger that he said it was bleeding. It had bled. The blood had dried. Okay. So I just had to put a gauze on it so that we reassure him. He wasn't happy about it, so he took off the dressing I did for him. Okay. Then I approached him and I told him that I've done a dressing for you, so be patient. We have 2 trauma cases and other cases too are there. We want us to leave them. He got angry and he started yes. So he did this to me. And then when he went out, I don't know where the guys came from. Most of the health workers saw them earlier, so they had flee. I didn't see them. And then they, from my back to my chest, and then they were just...
Did they push you? Were you pushed? Or what did they do? What did they do to you?
Yes, I was hit. I don't know if it was a fist, a tap. I can't describe the...
But what happened to your hands?
Raphael, I don't know. Raph did this to me. He hit me with the phone with the fist. And I even dodged a couple of the fists. They hit me all over. But right now I have a dislocation on my shoulder. And some headaches and body pains.
All right, thank you very much.
Mate Basun Ku, a committee, Nipa Bay Num, lawyer ni Bako Kahun, medical doctor ni Bako Kahun, nurse ni Bako Kahun, HR ni Bako Kahun, and an auditor ni Bako Kahun, 5-member committee. I'm back here in Semnum. Now the Omnibebre, yes, I so now inform you and going forward. And then 9 back on so the crime aspect. And also suppose if also a diomujuma.
Also for the to just say, Onanga Shada ebo and 9 equipimo.
Me who they mean capra. We a casse. We na casse. By this time, Intigani, your friend Anna. Your friend Anna. Bonnie Ben Weddy. Bonnie Bay, Odie. And what ban nicely, politely. No wa kasa wa dressy bi kakra wa ko ye free ho wo free here na fe wo de group nso aba and say ya na start you say ya by this time honorable even before the committee e dey ade na see before the committee dia woni mu no nipa kura wie ye kura akodi videos bi ni ade e be kura so ha gi no so chia no so de yo enti wo yes na dear woman prane hospital hono patients no and staff no dear picture na ye true dear picture na de kire asa enti ama ono obi a wote ho nyare ontu kwan bibia ote owo na adwumam owo na adwumam sese ne say na beti na ehwan enipa nso wu nyini nipadua no ba bia dislocate no ni ade coming back na edene because mponi mu ayedene enti we di honorable kwabna minta akando papa dabi enje posifo ne lawyer dabi papa by this time na se minimo the wo na de si wo ayi tamale anchempo wei unim no akwa ha ge means unim nipa no security into gas say we attorney ya by now esu obi mame obi sister obi yere hwe osum ne man gia and otie ne voice na obi so wo ho na ne de no so ye emergency equally emergency like yours nti ye nyina ye nyai obi a na yemra wo because we are superhuman ye ne sa na wo free who ko him by ya like as a or motive as or one dream be that even before bedru ho na we ye din mem ye din o enti se bi besi na when ye say no de besi ne ntime nka nti won na be normal na aka ho any kwan say ye jai emane ka ho just because we have a committee na make us say what we said here GMA pedifo omo de atodwa no yes because so omo kwa kwaje obi nkwa na be wie kire omo akra health no omo protection no ehia de a ombeje adwuma na to ho ombeje ato ho because my address ya ba adwuma na be wie kire obi from nowhere because of onu nipa ba ku ni ntino we pra waka ho obo no so aye de ade ntira obeto wonsa they say ba na di abohoi adai why because ento wu ni nti yemfa no normal debi yenya ne sa honorable debi o debi mame we no somebody ya jato so what video no what kasa no nti wa judge na wa hwese yenya ne sa na chip compound ho obi betimi aye de sensa na me ya ha kramponi ho de ya mo bi ngu ansa sane ehu sa ade na akwa ne ye nenye kwabna me samu akwa babiem
well mejoso
come oh na me Adom ti we de evidence nurse ni na e kana asem no na me tie na me ra ho
okay so if you are the simple na fi memo akoma na nyo yabium the sector minister should be worried much more than the old display no opposition no okwa ferry hospital kan sema kase to aban hoso no ne prenso okọ tamale no a specialist ne ho na officer ne shebre at once. You see the lack of principle that I have said all the time we continue to anything the president that got maybe 22 hours 22 hours our president so we do display such people have that power to walk in the corridors of power and me catch one upon me ko jubilee as na sa agent and ko jubilee as me out they will stop me they give him access
oh yes so unka ho
one friend gentleman no me so please Mr. Minister if indeed you are for your health workers as you claim not as you mean then this is not your action say I'm papa as a guy no what's I that premise one na no hage na no ko ka kire say Ghana for doors njini ebi wukura na ye dey na ano no wan twa wu I don't get that no wan wu and at that material moment no abe a Ghanaian than somebody else survival na
superior
the health minister it is not about a BBMO you have failed in your approach to this one simple just like Okujeto has failed in his conversation on this issue about a helicopter. I know it is will be so on pacho. If the discussion is that Ghana needs a new jet, I don't know the jet or the plane the Kufiana. You didn't try church to try and try church this time. We are still lying to ourselves, deceiving ourselves, we are dishonest, we are encouraging people, we are emboldening people to misbehave. How? A lot of foolishness and quantity in this country. Baka?
I
foolishness. Ekura aban se say for two ekojina legitimate people konchi e mo mo se omo free. Nobody talks about it because everybody will say when we keep comparing there, we'll never arrive. Because Oko Kaya was say Yansovo, Intablikuma is justified. Akwetia will also be justified. If the government changes, the other justifications will follow suit.
And at the end, starting Kakakro. And yes, if it's Yana start you. And where you see, I'm not the only shift to cry. Decimo. But see, Gina health.
No, Gina health, who does say because I didn't know organized. Airboapayo, I am more could draw moody this edge, man. Nankaga we pa de 7. Why should he be walking in the corridors of power? Impunity. Na health minister say na daji embracing anazo be ageno. Same premise we tie dia asem. O block 37 hwinhwa bibia di attempt to block 37 e ka say Ghana for na wo na eden. Wo. And the doctor should not sit on this matter. At all. It should not be a matter of Range Hospital. It can be.
Me say for you know be crazy wo baby.
It can be because we are what it means is that all our major hospitals, no, me the major is Kokolibua, because me a friend of mine in the community, me so I'll bring boys to attack the police. Why? My passport delay because me on my in the community, I'll go to the passport office. Me say be a so number say the Why? Politicians are becoming too much. It's too much. Intimidation, insults, all necessary things. When we talk about productive things, you. And no man self for time every day.
And some why?
And the same person will have the guts to be walking around this country to decide what you are supposed to do again. For us. What's saying? And I urge the GMA someone fi kra, ma mini kunu nebusia phone taking up this matter. I'm surprised that the police is there.
Na beti ehwan den sai.
Anoma hu yan kwa na ye hodwumo. Wo the mama no power hanares the force at which the police will come to me. Will be otisem be am me decent no. Look at how they will come and treat me. That way no na mo. Ya to aba, ye be to aba, ganam say hu nkoma obi timi tu. Police for car no tu. Na NDC then in opposition. Look at what they were ranting. They didn't see anything wrong with it. What would they see wrong today? What would they see wrong today? So continuously we have said that aban bia obanasi ye catch us say sheyo. It's not to the interest of Kwabena Santi because ministers come make us to Abanonia. Top notch schools need na politicians na eko. Manu Faha, Ura, Usiha, all the international schools, all Ghana, go and check the caliber of people. Go and check it. Not all government schools, not all assembly grounds, where say green grass in Paul.
No,
yeah,
futuro.
Why?
Korea, Takamene, and Chelsea, a bro, said
Obia possesses a politician. Obia square politicians. Everybody will become part of you. Now, if you say, it's too much.
Too much.
Your man was your phone, Jimmy for. I'm more coin. I'm a neck. And yes, I this as America. No, but the people involved in this country. Why should this rough guy be walking like that?
Boy, Nadia.
Why?
I'm saying, Ahosepe is so well of entertainment. Dear Chegu, dear Fata Unino Sumuno, Jadibi, Esum, Ewo Hasi. Na Kenya, the war me at home, Padi, and Kaya Sandra, or Heme Ametiwa. That's where you may Nyami Adom, entertainment, I may a Ghana for Chimwa.
When you start sending, where do you or your guy? Sister Sunday be a guy.
I'm the guy, scoring 2 times a guy, Ghana's entertainment prophets, and Kwadamame. Yasan so abebi em fan somo me de somo nyina make I will say the darling factor cost to Adom TV so kwasi ada nwumre me nya da je kwa kwasi ada nwumre meti hu sei ya ni kisamo na zane rekasi edubuadi na me nya favorite bi girl no ye rapper no oh check it out the darling factor and I think so there's a visually impaired guy bi so a wo na na reafe oh mumie no me toma mo pa wate nti wo so read the darling factor no na ehu favorite na totomano enchane eden Shroma season 8 so be hyehyɛ so just say back to back enchana dame ba enchana makoma ba Adom TV oh Frank Bom yeah waje Some say ya na me say patrol. Some so no na eja apology na mu. Was on the 1st of August story yeah. Abusuan say my dear chira. Was on the story no say baby I could ring it. Germany fan of pay me chiamal is good. Hanover and cram in Saka say there's been attacks on a chamber music because of story bakwa. Jeje wa hase and we still apologize. Still na your company for chose someone nine. My picture no, and let me clear this real quick. Mami ne ka asem no, e fa ne jena asanti. Mami wonui ene ka lumba semiti Germany fui. Mesremo. She's a nursing mother, a chamber nie. Monsha na ni monso. Na mo bi amfa ne nsanka na Germany ho. Mesremo pa baby adu ne say nia hey. Adom TV akwa achire. Na nia yen. Ti Germany Hanover a chamber music nie me pa chow eni die mo nhye ne nso mfama me nurse madam mo ma ne nwe ne ho pan yi wonye hwe ono kwa wonye kofo mba social be keka nsem won kan lumba asem de o kan lumba asem ne da hayi jena asanti we na nkeka ekodi nkomo no social wate ti me so mo pay attention na mo bi attack mama because Germany is yasi lumba fans money abredi mo ade won kan hwe sister ni we odem na te Germany ho we on na te ya yene na na edi gobe ba ya yachi dokuno waachi we wonam na te Germany ho rebega ti bacho ani diem ti we still apologize to a chamber music for the mistake that happened here. We are really sorry and we revert. Thank you so much. Yentwaso mami moshi nkwa brochi memo mi gina Germany die diaspora fo no twen me die mu e do hwa Adom TV so a ye de dwumadie bi ba amanfo nsem we ekoso abroche was go for bro dwumadie na ebe yi ni nyina pie amwe hu no obu ho ni nkrata obu ho immigrant ne ade abusua ni nyina ye de be som wa Adom TV so na mensaka oni a wo be di dwumadie ne ho chiame wose ne twetwenkom no chedi ewom na papa yi ekansem mo ewom time aye be yi ni bibia tie mo hwi ye nkwa abrochi memo. Hi, good morning sir. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How you doing?
Fine, thank you, sir. Pacho Frank biem kakra na mente me nua be me. Ho na aye fa no pay say.
Oh, ma'am, me da so my aye fa.
Wait there ice na who ice na say yes. Why you ready so did you make the air break? Yeah, the more your family. But one more show no Pacho any dey mo be introduce so ho in few seconds actually.
Okay, intimidating the Daniel clue manager admin there na age mama lead content producer.
Okay.
Now man pay me that Adom TV for us say mama me akwenye ya partnership. Into the area no din my story. My story no share stories of Ghanaians or more in the diaspora. Say you amount for bimu feel say unya tu pan Bible church say bibia be okay. Bimu to fee bimu to properties. But we are going beyond that. And the chairman voice, okay, see, me to quite be nsem and son I want to take that decision because that decision is a big one. Along the documentary now you're creating, many people in coma said you my regret, some decision that they want to come back to Ghana real bad.
Okay.
The last one I'm shooting and run, which will come out soon. Papa Bia said we are 52 years. And only fee and about America. America, unfortunately, they're costing and saying, I saw born I didn't call Ghana. Necessary and America. So, Bisana at the age of 52, I said, Robert Buchawa to be Biabano. I had never not to keep coming back to do. So, what we aim to do, and I said, according to the young opinion, so by now, so said, the entire music in now, and I sent to Richard Padilla, named Babuchin and bread. And most of the people on this kind of yes and I am from the GB1 B2 visa. I have visitors visa. However, no visitors visa does not guarantee say about bit me be juma. But say Obana say ubinya working permit and I said green card now the badia it's a nice opportunity. And yes ana scanner banabe sra na be hwesa na nyama kwansa na oba. Inti yeni bi akasa wo Jamaica, yeni bi akasa wo Canada, yeni bi akasa wo UK. yeah, who be saying I'm Adom in 2 months in the Germany so. Inti sana na waka say you do on more share or person share a story. The person can reach out.
Right. That's it. As I say there, wakwaye Adom TV, abroche anemu senior say no nsem ni na abeboa no de abrɛ wa Adom TV. So yeah, let's take a look at this trailer. Yaba me name nua beto aso. Yaba sia. Real stories coming true, real stories. Baby awo wa abroche memu bia mema me nua be ma de social na toto no you can reach out. Because him say enough from Kofi Kinata ne born no nyumo say ko hwe mi kurom. Onim de ma edidi na me onim de wonderful mo. E na me nua ne ka emu awo snow towo tete oh me nua be ma Mr. Bobo social media handles am I obi person reach out bia na onhu hwan ya obetimi ehu.
Okay, so basically reach out to me personally all social media share Instagram so Mr. Oklu mr.ocloo. Facebook yet Tete Oklu. Which my reach out. However, no so with me so I share Judge Media GH. Now I reach out, then the team will get back to you on what is going to happen. Also, no, na me Adoma Friday be
okay.
Yeah, start program now Adom TV 3:30 p.m.
Great. We can't wait. We can't wait. We are here for the stories and we wish you all the very best. Yes, I'm going to chamre na yehu. Ya baba ya manso na yenya asan because say the eni ayenya yehu. Ya da CP Judge Media ya da CP all the very best.
Before I call me person me da se da be ma mo general manager Abdullah Awudu ene PLPC. Oma bo me pa me started to have this conversation somewhere in 2024 January.
Wow.
And
okay.
Along putting the things together and then my executive producers are Solomon Arthur, Alodia Promotions, West Coast.
Okay.
Yeah, they've been offered because when I'm in the UK now, I'm almost
okay.
Any BBI, so be our boy, of course, means me will be in Bando. Team, so technical team, the Global Tete. Every time I'm on them, say, oh, young cat, you and say, oh, no boy, meeting will be our boy, maybe I say.
Okay, yes, yeah, that's CP. All the very best to you and the crew there. Yeah, that's CP. Thank you so much. Tiabusi on Friday, 3:30. Now, yeah, there's just way no person to quiet. Now, who should be now who some equa and I'm inquire. There's a more Shapa, Adom TV, such a baby brain. Oh, Bomma Park, we see a condom. Academia boy, you want to such a so, oh, Saboma Blood, Bomma Production. Bomma we bekefian producer yenya break na bomma me a me so me boy adwuma no ka se me be koko ejabusu yan to aso away from abroad remember back to Ghana